One check, one check. Look. One check, one check.
Two-time Soiti. Tino two-time si Toisi Soiti. Soiti.
First five. First five. Pasok na. Jumble between Barroga and Cachapero. Rebound by Barroga. Barroga will dribble the ball. Being harassed by a pass to Puget. Fars for the triple line. Is out. Rebound by the big man Cachapero. A pass to Angeles to Rivera. Rivera now will dribble the ball. Being crossed the wicket looking for play. A pass to Ferrer. Ferrer back to Rivera. Signal for play. 10 to shoot. Rivera pa rin. Rivera to Ferrer. Fars for the triple line. He is out. Nakuha ni Ventura. Intercept by Angeles. Angeles now. Fars for the triple line. He is out. Simple. Inbound by Ferrer. Pass to Barongo. Barongo to Cachapero to Rivera. Rivera now. 14 to shoot. Rivera pa rin drives. Last touch, Marsan. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Wrong by Angeles. Pass to Ferrer. 10 to shoot. Ferrer fires. Last touch, Ferrer. Inbound by Ventura, pass to Marsan. Marsan now will dribble the ball, been harassed by Ferrer, looking for play. Fars, pass to last touch, Ventura. Inbound by Barongao, a pass to Angeles. Angeles now will dribble the ball, looking for play. A pass to Ferrer to Rivera, Fars for the triple line. Is out. Wrong by the big man Ventura. Ventura to Marsan. Marsan now a pass to Pat back to Marsan. Marsan to Barroga. Falls for the triple line. Is out. Littleton the ball. Inbound by Angeles. A pass to Ferrer. Ferrer now signal for play. A pass to Cachapero. He turns. He pass to Barongao. Parungaw to Ferrer, back to Cachapero. Fires is out. Remambay, Barraga to Marsan. Marsan now nagmamadali, drives, is out again. Remambay Rivera. Rivera now dribbles the ball. When Harsley Pigot, he turns. Almost center set. Rivera Perene, pass to Angeles. Fires for the triple line. Is out. Remambay the big man, Barraga. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. A pass to Pigot, fires, is out again. Nakuha ni ipinasa kay Rivera. Rivera now, fires, is in. Is it 2 points? Rivera. Inbound by Barraga. A pass to Marsan, back to Barraga. Barraga now, when dribbling the ball, when Harsby. Ferrer. Barraga almost center set. To Marsan, fires, is in. Is it 2 points? Marsan. Rebound by Parungaw, time remaining 7 minutes exactly. Parungaw now drives. Is out. Nakuha ni Barraga. Barraga na nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Batbat, foul. Number 19, Wangeles. That's your first personal foul. In first team foul for Little Tondo. Inbound by Pigot. Pass to Marsan. Back to Pigot. Fires for the triple line. Is out. Follows up by Ventura. Is out. Inbound by Marsan. Follows up. Wala pa rin. Foul. Number 28. That's your first personal foul. Cachapero in second team foul. Inbound by Ventura. A pass to Pat. But now fires is out. Nakuha ni Parungaw. Parungaw ipinasa kay Ferrer. Ferrer drives. A pass to Rivera. He fake. He fires is out. Nakuha ni Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagmamadali. Fires is in. Is it 2 points? Marsan. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Rivera now drives. Looking for his teammate. A pass to Parungaw, back to Rivera, fires for the triple line. 3 points, Rivera. Wrong by Barraga, time remaining 6 minutes exactly. Barraga now will dribble the ball, looking for play, fires for the triple line. 3 points, Barraga. Wrong by Angeles, last touch, Rivera. Inbound by Barraga, pass to Marsan, back to Barraga. Barraga now will dribble the ball. Winners by Ferrer, looking for play. Barraga fires, is out. Nakuha ni Marsan. 10 to shoot. Marsan, a pass to Barraga, fires for the triple line. 3 points, Barraga. Back-to-back 3 coming from Barraga. Rebound by Marsan, Rivera to Parungaw. Parungaw now, a pass to Rivera, fires for the triple line. Is out. Nakuha ni Pati, pinasa kay Marsan. Marsan to Barraga. Time remaining 5 minutes exactly. Barraga pa rin, shot for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Cachapero, pinasa kay Parungaw. Parungaw na nagmamadali. Ipinasa kay Angeles. Fires is in. Is it 2 points? Angeles. Inbound by Barraga. A pass to Pigot to Marsan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Marsan now looking for play. A pass to Ventura. Fires is out. Nakuha ni Parungaw. A pass to Ferrer. Ferrer now drives. Is in. 2 points. Ferrer. Rebound by Marsan. Marsan now fires. Is in. 2 points for Marsan. Inbound by Parungaw. Pass to Rivera. Back to Parungaw. Parungaw now in dribbling the ball. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Ferrer now looking for play. Ferrer pa rin. Drives. Is out. Rebound by Barraga. Pass to Marsan. Marsan now. Pass to Pigot. Is out. Nakuha ni Marsan. 14 to shoot. A pass to Barraga. Fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Barroga to Angeles. Angeles now backbugging fires. This out again. Nakuha ni Pigat. Pigat pinasa kay Barroga. Shot for 3. 3 points Barroga. Round by Rivera. Rivera now when dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. A pass to Barroga. Barroga to Angeles. Fires for 3. Is out. Time out, Little Toto. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. The score now 15 to 9. 6-point lead by Kapadjak. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Remaining for the opening quarter. Inbound by Marsan, a pass to Barroga. "19 seconds on the shot clock." "19 seconds on the shot clock." Inbound by Marsan, a pass to Barroga. Barroga now being harassed by Rivera. Signal for play. 15 to shoot. Barroga pa rin. Tries for 3. Wizard. Nakuha ni Angeles. Angeles now with dribble the ball. With crossing the midcourt. Waiting for his teammate. A pass to Ferrer. 15 to shoot. Ferrer now looking for play. A pass to Cachapero. 10 to shoot. Cachapero drives. Is out. Wrong with the big man Pat. Ipinasa kay Ventura. Ventura now. A pass to Marsan. Marsan yan nagtatanong bola. He drives. And it's 2 points. Marsan. Inbound by Cachapero. A pass to Angeles. Angeles now in dribble the ball. Vinas by Marsan. A pass to Rivera. Rivera now but foul. Pat, that's your first personal foul and first team foul for Kapadjak. 15 to shoot. A pass to Angeles. Angeles now to Rivera. 10 to shoot. Rivera now signal for play. Fars for the triple line. Is out. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer now. A pass to last touch Arsiaga. Time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Inbound by Ventura. Pass to Marsan. Marsan now when dribbling the ball. Winners by Soman. 15 to shoot. Marsan pa rin. Pass to Barroga. Barroga now fires. Is out. Pala sa by Nares. Is out again. Nakuha pa rin ni Barroga. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Barroga now fires for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Angeles. Angeles now nagmamadali. Angeles pa rin. Fires. Is it 2 points. Angeles. Inbound by Father, pass to Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagmamadali. Binars by the 3-man, almost intercept. Intercept by Rivera. Rivera now. He fires. Is it 2 points. Rivera. Inbound by Father, pass to Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagmamadali. Binasa kay Nares. Nares to Barroga. Fires for the triple line. 3 points. Barroga. Time remaining 1 minute exactly. 1 minute exactly. By Rivera. 15 to shoot, 55 seconds. Rivera fires this out. Nakuha ni Ventura e Pastonares. 45 seconds. Cachapero e Pasto Angeles now. He drive Vivars Zezen. 35 seconds. Ventura to Pat. Pat to Marzana. 30 seconds. E Pasto Pat. Pat pagpaging e Pastonares fires this out. 22 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. Only 10 seconds. 5. Barraga fires is out. The corner Shaga. End of the first quarter. He score now 20 to 15. 5-point lead by Kapajak. Back to the ball game. Looking for a sponsor, Pandesal, Kuya Richard Sismundo. Aham, aham. Sponsor Humas. Start for the second quarter. El ball by pass to Chapera to Pereira. Pereira now being harassed by Piggott, looking for play. Fires for the triple line. Raise out. Nakuha ni Barraga. Barraga now. Barraga pa rin. The dribble. Ibinasa kay Marzan. 15 to shoot. Marzan now drives a pass to Piggott. Sorry, naris niya. Barraga fires. Zezen 2 points. Barraga. E pass to Parronga. Parronga now being harassed by Nares. Parronga pa rin. E pass to Cachapero. Cachapero pagpaging. Almost center set. E pass to Arshaga. Block by Barraga. Pate binasa kay Piggott. Piggott now drives. E pass to Nares. Fires is out. Nakuha ni the big man Arshaga. E binasa kay Pereira. Pereira now drives. Is out. Saved by Piggott, pass to Barraga. Time remaining 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Barraga now being harassed by Rivera. Barraga pa rin. Fires in. Back-to-back points coming from Barraga. Rebound by Pereira. Pereira now waiting for his teammate. Pass to Parronga. Parronga now fires in. Wanna move coming from Parronga. And ball by Barraga, pass to Piggott, back to Barraga. Piggott, pass to Piggott, Piggott to Barraga, fires this out. Nakuha ni Piggott. Piggott now bagpaging, he drives it, pass to Nares, fires this in. 2 points, Nares. And ball by Pereira. Pereira now, pass to Rivera, he fake. He drive, he fires this out. Last touch, Rivera. Barraga out. Marzanin. Pereira out. Cachapero out. Cachapero, Angeles, and Marsan in. And ball by Pat, a pass to Marsan. Marsan now will driven the ball. Fingers navigated Bernhards very better. 15 to shoot. Marsan 4 for 3. Ways out. Drawn by Angeles. Angeles now nagmamadali. Angeles pa rin. Angeles drive. Bars is out. Ball sa Barsiaga but foul. Pigot. That's your first personal foul. Pigot in first team foul for Kapadjak. First throw, pasok. Barsiaga. Last shot, pasok pa rin. 2 for 2 for Barsiaga. Inbound by Pigot, pass to Marsan. Time remaining 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to Pigot, 4 for 3, but foul. Bat out. Ventura in, foul number 8, Parungao. That's your first personal foul, Parungao in first team foul for Little Tondo. First throw, wala. Second throw, was up. Last throw by Pigot. Wala pa rin, 1 out of 3. Naman by Angeles. Angeles now nagpapadali. Binasa kay Rivera. Rivera fars for the triple line. Short, palasa by Parungao. As in 2 points, Parungao. Inbound by Ventura. Pass to Marsan. Marsan ibinasa kay Nares. Nares drives. Intercept by Angeles. Angeles ngayon nagpapadali. Angeles drive. Bars is out. Nakuha ni Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagpapadali. Marsan pa rin. Drive. Bars is in. Is it 2 points? Nares. Inbound by Parungao. Parungao ibinasa kay Angeles. Benharas by Pigot, 15 to shoot. Angeles pa rin. Pass to Parungao. Bars is out. Ventura to Pigot. Pigot fires. Is it 2 points? Pigot. Wrong by Cachapero. Pass to Rivera. He fake. He fires. Is out. Pulls up. Is out. Pulls up. Barsiaga is in. Yeah. By Pigot. Pigot now in dribbling the ball. Time remaining 6 minutes exactly. Marsan drive. Bars but foul. Kachap. Huh? Rivera out. Payago in. That's your second personal foul. Cachapero number 20. First throw is good. Last throw short. Wrong by Ventura. Pass to Marsan. Marsan drives. Is out. Now with the big man Barsiaga. Barsiaga to Parungao. Parungao now nagmamadali. Parungao pa rin. Fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Pigot. Pigot now with pass to Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagmamadali. He drives. Fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Pigot. Pigot now, 15 to shoot. Pigot, ipinasa kay Nares. Nares now, he turns, he bars, is out. But foul. Number 30, Barsiaga. That's your first personal foul and 13th foul. First throw, verbal. He scored now 32 to 23. favor of Kapadjak. Last row, labaran ng kuha ni Arsiaga. Arsiaga na, win the ball by Nares. Arsiaga pa rin, Ipar Zezan. 2 points, Arsiaga. Inbound by Bigot, a pass to Marsan. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Marsan now signal for play. A pass to Ventura to Bigot, far for the 999. Wizard. Nakuha ni Gatchapero, binasa kay Parungaw. Parungaw na nag-dribble binas bidat sa mana. A pass to Angeles. Angeles ngayon, drive far, Zezald. Nakuha ni Gatchapero, a pass to Payago. Payago now, he turns. Almost intercepted by Parungaw. A pass to Angeles. Angeles, he fake. Pagpaging far, Zezald. 2 points, Angeles. Time out, Kapadjak. Time remaining 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Score now 32 to 27. 5-point lead by Kapadjak. Back to the basketball game. Kapadjak ball. Rebound by Marsan. Marsan now will bring the ball, win signal for play. Marsan drive, fires, Zezard. Nakuha ni Simple. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Pat, head pass to Nares. Nares to Pigot, 10 to shoot. Head pass to Barroga, back to Pigot, far for the triple line. Wizard. Nakuha ni Pat, head pass to Marsan. Marsan now, head pass to Nares, far Zezan. 2 points, Nares. Inbound by Payago, time remaining 4 minutes exactly. Head pass to Angeles. Angeles now. A pass to Parungaw, 15 to shoot. A pass to Payago, Payago to Gatchapero, fars for the triple line. Wizard, nakuha ni Nares. A pass to Pigot, Pigot now, fars Zezan, is it 2 points of Pigot. Rebound by Parungaw. Parungaw now nagdi-dribble. Parungaw drives, air ball. Nakuha ni Barroga. A pass to Pigot, Pigot fars Zezan, back-to-back points coming from Pigot. Inbound by Payago, a pass to Arsiaga. Arsiaga now win Harris way. Intercept by Barroga. Barroga now nagmamadali. Barroga fires Zezad. Nakuha pa rin ni Barroga. Barroga fires for the triple line. Zezad again. Nakuha ni Gatchapero. Gatchapero now will dribble the ball. Time remaining 3 minutes exactly. A pass to Angeles. Angeles ngayon nagdi-dribble, fars for 3. Wizard. Nakuha ni Parungaw, pulls up. Wizard. Simple. Parungaw out. Raimundo in. Amulasyon in. Inbound by Ferrer. Pass to Angeles. Fars for the triple line. Wizard. Nakuha pa rin ni Angeles. Angeles now pagpaging. Angeles. Intercept by Barroga. A pass to Nares. Nares na nagmamadali. Pigot to Barroga. Far. Zezard. Pulls up. Wizard. Nakuha ni Tabig Manamulasyon. But last touch. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Pigot, they pass to Barroga, force for 3. Is out, they pass to Pigot, is out again. Run for the big man, Cachapero now. It pass to Molashon, Molashon fires, is in. 2 points, Molashon. Inbound by Pat, it pass to Marsan. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Marsan now, it pass to Barroga, 15 to shoot. It pass to Pigot, Pigot back to Barroga, fires, intercept by Arshaga, but last touch Arshaga. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Only 9 seconds on the shot clock. Only 9 seconds. Inbound by Nares, it pass to Pigot to Barroga, fires for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Nares, 14 to shoot. Nares pa rin, Binars with a 10 to shoot. Nares fires, is out. Ng corner siya gaya, pass to Molasyon. Ang Molasyon ngayon, nagmamadali, Binars with Pigot. Ang Molasyon now looking for play, looking for teammate. Pass to Payago to Angeles, fires. Counted foul. Pat out. GB out. Cachapero out. That's your first personal foul, Nares, and second team foul. Bonus shot for Angeles. Here's Anne. Airborne by Barroga, pass to Marsan. Marsan now nagdi-dribble, Binars with a Marsan pa rin. Marsan pass to Nares, he fake, he fires, is out. Wrong to big man. Cachuela. Rivera now, but blocked by Pigot. 15th shoot. A pass to Angeles. Angeles, a pass to Agtepa, fires, is out. Rebound by Barroga. Time remaining 1 minute exactly. Barroga now signal for play. A pass to Nares. Nares to Marsan. Fires for the dribble line. 3 points. Marsan. 50 seconds. Only 45 seconds. Rebound by Angeles. 40 seconds. Fires for 3. Is out. Pulls up. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Payago. Pulls up. Pasok. Only 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds, 15 to shoot, first for 3. Is out the corner, Shaga. 15 seconds. A pass to Payago. Payago now. 10 seconds. A pass to Angeles, almost center seat. Payago pa rin. A pass to Angeles. 5 seconds. Var Zezen. Only 2 seconds. Marsan now. End of the first half is score now. 41 to 36. 5-point lead by Kapadjak.
Ako ay paro-paro, nakatako sa iyong damo. Sa liwanag na linda mo, ang daming nabibighanging gamo-gamo. Yakapin mo ako habang atin ang gabi, kasi muli natin nilating sa lisip. Pag ikay nasa baba, ako ay nasa taas. Sa tuwing ikaw ay darating, ako ay lalabas. Huwag ka masyadong marahas, sige na, masigaw mo pa na malakas. Ilagay mo sa todo, di kita tinatanong pero sagot mo'y oo. Hintayin mo ako, malapit na ako, sabay na tayo, papunta na ako. Nasaan ka na ba? Kung ako sa'yo sumama ka na. Tara, 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 sumama ka sa'kin. Tawanan ang aking kamay, tayo ay maglalakbay.
Back to the ball game start for the third quarter. Inbound by Nares, a pass to Marzan. Marzan now, a pass to Barraga. Fires for the triple line. 3 points, Barraga. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles now retrieving the ball. Ben Haras by Pickett. A pass to Rivera. Gusto bumawi. Wala. Inbound by Nares, a pass to Marzan. Marzan now nagdi-dribble. Marzan pa rin, signal for play. Ben Haras by Rivera. Marzan drive, bars, is out. Ako ni Gachapero. Gachapero now almost centers it, but last touch, Angeles. Beyond by Pickett, a pass to Marzan, bars, but foul. Number 21, Rivera, that's your first personal foul and first team foul for Little Tondo. First throw by Marzan, pasok. Last row, pasok pa rin, 2 for 2 for Marzan. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles to Ferrer, fires for 3. Is out. Kapadyak, ball. All. Inbound by Barraga, pass to Marzan, back to Barraga. Barraga now, nagdi-dribble. A pass to Pickett. Pickett fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer now, nagdi-dribble. Ferrer pa rin, nagmamadali. He drive, he fires. Is in. 2 points. Ferrer. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Rebound by Marzan. A pass to Pickett. Pickett now, Benas by Ferrer. Back to Marzan. Marzan now looking for play. A pass to Barraga. 10 to shoot. Barraga pa rin. Barraga fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer now with the dribble. Varas by. A pass to Angeles. Fires for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Nares. Nares now Benas by the team and almost centers it. Nares pa rin. A pass to Barraga. Fires for 3. 3 points. Barraga. Inbound by Angeles. A pass to Barraga. Ben Haras by Marzan. Barraga signal for play. 15 to shoot. A pass to Rivera. Rivera now drive. Fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Pickett. Depensa kay Marzan for the open layup. Pasok. Timeout, Little Tondo. Time remaining 7 minutes and 26 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Score now 51 to 38 in favor of Kapadyak. To the basketball game. Inbound by Gachapero. A pass to Angeles. Angeles now will bring the ball. A pass to Barrongao. for play, looking for his teammate. 15 to shoot for Zezen. Is it 2 points? Ferrer. Inbound by Barroga, pass to Marsan, back to Barroga. Barroga na nagdi-dribble, Ben-Hars by Barroga. Barroga fires out. Nakuha ni Ferrer, but foul. Number 6, Barroga. That's your first personal foul. In first team foul for Kabadjak. Time remaining 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Inbound by Parongao. Pass to Rivera. Back to Parongao. Parongao na nag-dribble. Parongao pa rin. Bagpaging. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer drives. Zezen. 2 points. Ferrer. Inbound by Parongao. Pass to Marsan. Marsan now nag-dribble. Signal for play. Marsan pa rin. Pass to Pigat. Pigat 2. Nares for Zezen. One jumper from Nares. 2 points. One by Angeles. Angeles now can dribble the ball. Angeles drive for Zezen. Is it 2 points? Angeles. Elbow by Nares. Pass to Marsan. Marsan now looking for play. 15 to shoot. Marsan pa rin. Pass to Nares. Nares now 10 to shoot, but foul. Number 21, Rivera. That's your second personal foul. In second team foul. Inbound by Pigot. Pass to Pat. Pat now almost center set. Pass to Nares. 10 to shoot. Nares fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Angeles. Angeles ngayon. Nagmamadali. Pinas by Pigot. Angeles pa rin. Pass to Ferrer. 15 to shoot. Ferrer pa rin. Pass to Rivera. Rivera now. He drives. Simple. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Only 7 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Parongao. Pass to Rivera. Rivera now dribbling the ball. Force to shoot. Is out. One by Marsan. Pass to Pigot. Pigot now fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Rivera. Pass to Parongao. Parongao now dribbling the ball. Parongao pa rin. Pass to Ferrer, back to Parongao. Parongao fires. Zezen. Is it 2 points? Parongao. Inbound by Pat. Pass to Barroga. Time remaining 5 minutes exactly. Barroga fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Angeles. Angeles ngayon nagmamadali. Angeles pa rin. He drives. Last touch. $14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Angeles. Pass to Parongao. Parongao winners by Pigot. 10 to shoot. Pass to Rivera looking for 3. Pass to Angeles. 5 to shoot. Rivera fires for 3. Is out. Rebound by the big man Barroga. Barroga now. Pass to Marsan. Marsan now been dribbling the ball with crossing the midcourt. 15 to shoot. Pass to Barroga. Barroga fires. Is out. Around by the big man Angeles. Angeles now, but out of bounds. Angeles. Time remaining 4 minutes and 17 seconds. But now pass to Pigot. Pigot to Marsan. Fires for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Parongao. Pass to Rivera. Rivera now. Is it 2 points? Rivera. Time out. Kabadjak. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. It's score now 53 to 48. 5-point lead by Kamadjak. Back to the ball game. Wrong by Barroga. Barroga now looking for play, looking for snip. They pass to Marsan. Marsan ngayon nag-dribble but blocking foul for Angeles, number 19. That's your second personal foul and 13 foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Piggott to Barroga, back to Piggott. Force for the triple line. He's out. Down by the big man, Pat. Pat pulls up. Weighs in. 2 points. Pat. Rebound by Parrongao. Parrongao now winning the ball. And pass to Rivera. Rivera been harassed by Piggott. Signal for play. 15 to shoot. Angeles drive. Finds. Is it 2 points? Angeles. Inbound by Marsan. Pass to Barroga. Barroga now when dribbling the ball. When harassed by Parrongao. Barroga pa rin. Barroga pass to Piggott. Fars for the triple line. He's out. Nakuha ni Parrongao. Parrongao ngayon nagkamadali. When harassed by the Tuman. Parrongao pa rin. Pass to Rivera. Fars. Is it 2 points? Rivera. Time remaining 3 minutes exactly. Rebound by Marsan. Marsan now the dribble waiting for his teammate. Marsan pa rin. Pass to Barroga. Fars for 3. 3 points. Barroga. Rebound by Parrongao. Parrongao now winning the ball. Pass to Angeles. Angeles to Rivera. Rivera now but foul. Number 16, Pat. That's your second personal foul and second team foul for the Kamadjak. 16 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Wrong by Rivera, looking for play. 10 to shoot. Rivera pa rin. Looking for 3. Pass to Angeles. 5 to shoot. Angeles now backpacking. 5 is out. Wrong for the big man. Angeles. Follows up. SM using the board. 2 points for Angeles. Friendly game lang guys, ay ayam lang. Barroga force for 3. Is out. Nakuha ni Angeles. Pinasakay ni Rivera. Rivera ngayon. Fars. Is it 2 points Rivera. Remabay. Pass to Marsan. Score now 58 to 56. 2-point lead by Kamadjak. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Marsan drives. 2 points Marsan. Remabay Angeles. Angeles now nag-dribble. Nasa kay Parrongao. Parrongao now. Parrongao drives. Pass to Ferrer. He fake. He fires. Is out. Ang matabig man Parrongao. Barroga now nag-dribble. Nasa kay Piggott. Piggott fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Chapero. Pass to Ferrer. Ferrer ngayon nag-dribble. Ferrer now looking for teammate. Pass to Parrongao. Fires. Is it 2 points Parrongao. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Remabay Barroga. Barroga now nag-dribble with hands by Rivera. Pass to Marsan. Marsan drives. Fars but foul. Naris out. Cachapero out. Technical. Number 28, Cachapero. That's your second personal foul, Cachapero. First roll, wala. Ay, bonus shot niya. Time remaining 1 minute exactly. Yan po kay Marsan. Pass to Marsan, sorry, pigot. Marsan, intercept by Paat. Far. This out, Robert Bigman. Angeles now. Ribera to kay Ribera. Ribera far. This out. Nakuha ni Pigot. 45 seconds. Marsan pa rin. Marsan now. He drive. He fars. Zesen. Is it 2 points? Marsan. 35 seconds. Only 30 seconds. Angeles now backpacking. Almost center set. Pass to Ferrer. To deep shoot. Fars. 3 points. Ferrer. Only 20 seconds. Marsan now. Nagpapadalay. Binas with Rivera. Rivera 15 seconds. Pass to Pigot. Pigot back to Marsan. 10 seconds. Marsan pa rin. 5 seconds. Pass to Barroga. Fars for 3. Raise out. Comes up. Counted. 2 points. 2 points. Marsan. End of the third quarter. Is score now 64-61. 3-point lead by Kabadjak. Back to the ball game. Start for the final quarter. Long by Ferrer. Big harass by Marsan. Ferrer drives but foul. Number 15, Marsan, that's your. Pass to Ferrer, Benars by Marsan. 14 shoot, far for 3. Yes, out, ang pala sa bigit sa pero wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Angeles. Angeles now backpacking fars. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Arshaga. Palsa, but-blank by Marsan. Barroga, sorry. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Only 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 5 Saga, pass to Angeles. 7 to shoot, 5 to shoot. Rivera now, 3 to shoot, fars for 3. Raise out. Nakuha ni Pigot. Pigot now, nag-dribble. Ipinasa kay Barroga. Barroga to Marsan, fars for 3. Raise out. Nakuha ni Bintore, pass to Pigot, fars for 3. 3 points of Pigot. Pass to Rivera. Rivera now, he fars. This out. Nakuha ni Marsan. Marsan ngayon nag-dribble. Marsan now, pass to Pigot. Pigot to Pigot. Pigot now, fars. This out. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer ngayon nagmamadali. Ferrer pa rin. He drive, he fars. This out. Nakuha ni Bigman Arshaga, but last touch, Arshaga. Here mo ba Ventura pa sa Marsan. Marsan ngayon nagmamadali. Marsan fars. Intercept kay Rivera. Rivera na nag-dribble but foul. Score now 67 to 61. 6-point lead by Kapadjak. Time remaining 8 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Rebound by Rivera, 20 to shoot. Rivera now. Rivera pa rin. Drive, bars, but foul. Barraga. That's your second personal foul, Barraga. Second team foul for Kapadjak. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbounding at Rivera, pass to Rivera, far for 3. 3 points, Rivera. Rebound by Barraga, time remaining 8 minutes and 14 seconds. Barraga now, signal for play. 17 seconds on the shot clock, 15 to shoot. A pass to Marsan. Marsan to Pigot, far for 3. 3 points, Pigot. Rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer now nagdi-dribble, nasa kay Rivera, Benars by Ventura. Rivera pa rin, nagdi-dribble, looking for play, 15 shoot. Rivera now, Rivera drive, far, Zezad, nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer now, Ferrer pa rin, pass to Wangaris, far, Zezad at 2 points. Rivera at Cachapero in. Time remaining 7 minutes and 32 seconds remaining for the final quarter. 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Score now 70 to 66. 4-point lead by Kapadjak. Rebound by Barraga, Benars by Angeles. Barraga now looking for teammate, pass to Marsan. Marsan now, Benars by Ferrer. Marsan pa rin looking for play, 15 to shoot, fars. Ezen. 3 points, Marsan. Rebound by Angeles, Benars by that woman, pass to Ferrer. Ferrer now looking for teammate, pass to Arshaga, intercept by Pigot. Pigot to Pigot. Pigot wide open, far. Zezen, is it 2 points? Pigot. Timeout, Little Tondo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Score now 75 to 66. 9-point lead by Kapadjak. May isa lang timeout yun. Little Tondo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Score now 75 to 66. 75 to 66. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles now bringing the ball. Benars by Marsan. Intercept by Ventura. Ventura now. A pass to Marsan. Far. Zezen. Is it 2 points? Marsan. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles now dribbling the ball. Cross na Miguel Benars by Pigot. Angeles pa rin. He turns. He rides. Zezen. 2 points. Angeles. Inbound by Ventura, a pass to Pigot. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Pigot now, signal for play. Pigot, wide open three. Result, nakuha ni Arshaga. Arsiaga to Wangelis. Angelis ngayon nagmamadali. Intercept by Piget. Piget ngayon nagmamadali. Pasto Nares. Nares fires. Is out. Nakuha ni Arsiaga. Arsiaga ngayon may hawak ng bola. Pasto Kachapero. Kachapero to Angelis fires. Is in. Naman by Victoria. Pasto Piget. Piget to Marzano. Marzano to fires. Is in. Committee time out. Time remaining 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Remambay Gachapero e Pasto Payago to Pereira. Pereira venas Belatsoman. Intercept by Pad. Pad now e Pasto Nares. Nares ngayon nagmamadali. Nares e Pasto Marzan. Almost intercept Marzan bars. Airball. Out of bounds Payago. Score now 79-70. 9-point lead by Kabadjak. Inbound by Ventura. E Pasto Nares. Nares now giving the ball, but double dribble. Nares. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Inbound by Gachapero e Pasto Pereira. Pereira ngayon nag-dribble, he drive, he bars, this out. Last touch, Ventura. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound by Pereira, e Pasto Arsiaga. Last touch, 15 to shoot. Only 15 to shoot. Inbound by Pereira. E Pasto Payago. 14 to shoot. Payago now. Right. Blocked by Ventura. E Pasto Nares bars. Again, is it 2 points? Nares. Time remaining 5 minutes exactly. Rebound by Payago. E Pasto Arsiaga. Arsiaga now. Almost intercepted by Ventura. Ventura now nag-dribble. Nasa kay Pad. Pad to Marzan. Marzan now. Drive. Bars. Again, is it 2 points? Marzan. Time out, Little Tondo. One time out yun, Little Tondo. Dua pa yung Kabadjak. Time remaining 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Score now 83-70. 13-point lead by Kabadjak. Back to the ball game. Limang by Gachapero, Pasto Paromao. Paromao now nagti-dribble, Paromao pa rin. Fars but foul. Number 16 Pad, that's your third personal foul and 13 foul. First throw, wala. Last row, pasok, 1 for 2 by Paromao. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Paromao by Marzan. Marzan now nagdi-dribble, 20 seconds on the shot clock. Marzan pa rin, Benas Bedasoman ay Pasto Nares, 15 to shoot. Back to Nares, fires, is out. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles now nagdi-dribble. Angeles pa rin. Angeles now backpacking drive. Fires, is in. Is it 2 points? Angeles. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds. He score now 83 to 73. 10-point lead by Kapadjak. Rebound by Marsan. 15 to shoot. Marsan pa rin. Benares by Angeles. 10 to shoot. 4 minutes exactly. Pass to Pigot. Pigot to Nares. 5 to shoot. Nares now 2 to shoot. Swing to 4 shot on position. Stop. Go. Pass to Parrongao. Parrongao now far Zezen. 2 points Parrongao. Inbound by Ventura. Pass to Marsan. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Remaining 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot, 10 to shoot. Far Zezen, 3 points, Marsan. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. From Ferrer, 15 to shoot. Angeles now fires, got the foul. Sub-threat. Number 16, Paat. Warning for disqualification, Paat. Warning for penalty. He score now 77 to 86. 9-point lead by Kapadjak. Bonus shot, pasok. Time remaining 3 minutes exactly. Rebound by Barroga. Barroga now in him the ball being harassed by Barrongao. Barroga pa rin. Barroga pagpaging far. Zezen, 2 points. Barroga. Rebound by Angeles. Angeles now, pass to Barrongao. Barrongao na nagdi-dribble din sa Belansungan. Pass to backward violation, Arshada. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the last quarter. And Bamba Ventura, pass Barroga. Barroga now is it play with the ball across the midboard, being asked by Parrongao. Signal for play. Twice for 2. Fires. Listen, is it 2 points? Barroga. In Bamba Gachapero, he pass to Angeles. Angeles now is it play with the ball across the midboard. Being asked by Ventura, signal for play, pass to Arshaga. 15 to shoot, but foul. Penalty. Penalty. First throw by Arshaga. That's out. That's your third personal foul. That is. Second throw. That's out. Rebound by Barroga. Barroga now is it dribbling the ball across the midcourt. Being asked by Deltaman. Long for play, long for Stimmy. He passed to Ventura. 15 to shoot. He passed to Nares. Nares fires. Zezen. Is it 2 points? Nares. Inbound by Arshaga. He passed to Ferrer. Ferrer now is it dribbling the ball. He passed to Angeles. Tries for 3 points, Angeles. Time remaining 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Inbound by Ventura, it passes Marsan. Marsan now look for play, long for Stimate. It passes Nares, he fires. Listen, is it 2 points? Nares. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. It passes to Ferrer. Ferrer now is it in the ball, it passes to Parrongao. Fires. Listen to 3 points. Parrongao. Inbound by Barroga. It passes to Marsan. Marsan now will dribble the ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds. 15 to shoot. It passes to Pigot. Looking for 3. Fires for the triple line. Is out. 1 minute exactly. Remove by Barrongao. 55 seconds. Barrongao drives this out. Only 50 seconds. Barrongao now taking the ball. 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. 35 seconds. Fouls for David. End of the basketball game. Player of the game. Player of the game, Manong Paulo Barroga.
Wow.